guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you exactly how I did my makeup when I went to Disney. We actually drove up to Disney twice in 1 month, which that is very rare, but we just had such a great time. And honestly, I think this makeup look is not only to go to Disney, but just to be outdoors in general. It held up pretty well throughout the whole entire day. And even though it was hot and I was sometimes sweating, I think this makeup held out throughout the day. Now, by the end of the night, it did not look exactly how I have it on, but it did hold up pretty well. I'm not huge on wearing tons of makeup to be outdoors, so I think this is the perfect makeup look to be outside. And it is so simple to achieve, guys. I did my makeup in the car on the way to the parks every single time. You don't need a lot of effort. It's very simple, and I know that you guys will like it. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, this very simple natural makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so first things first, I'm going to pull my hair out of my face and I'm going to go in with the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. This is just a very basic generic daily moisturizer, but I'm mainly using it for the SPF because I will be outdoors, so I want to make sure I have my face covered from the sun. And by the way, I have already filled in my eyebrows off camera just because they take a little bit longer, but I did use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is my favorite pencil. So because I was going to be outdoors today, I did not use a foundation. Instead, I opted for this BB cream. This one is by far my favorite. It's from Garnier. And generally what a BB cream does is that it will give you the feel of a foundation. However, it's not heavy like a foundation. And they usually include like some added skincare benefits. So in this case, my BB cream has SPF 20. I'd say the only negative thing I have to say about this one is the color selection. It is horrible. It's so limited. But if you have a similar skin tone to me, then definitely you might want to try this out. This is like my holy grail ride or die makeup product. I've been using it for so many years, and honestly, it's been the best BB cream I have found. Next, I'm going to be going in with Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the color Light Neutral, and this thing is amazing. Right now is my favorite concealer to go to. It is full coverage, and the best part is that it does not crease up on me. This held up throughout the whole entire day, and the camera does not do it justice, but I have really bad under eye circles, and this just does such a great job at hiding that. I like to get this concealer in the inner corners of my eye as well, just because it does get kind of dark there. And then I blend it all with my fingers, not only at the bottom, but also on my eyelids as well. I also like to go in with a beauty blender just to make sure that everything is nicely blended. And then another way I like to use this concealer is for around my nose area, just because that area tends to get a little bit red throughout the day. And this does such a great job at hiding that as well. I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Lock It Translucent Powder just to set everything in place. Now, using the contour color from the Maybelline Master Contour Kit, I'm going to be just bronzing up my face a little, and I'm also going to make sure that I contour my nose. I'm now going to be using a blush by Benefit in the color Dandelion. I like this color just because it's a very baby pink, and it doesn't make you look like super unnatural. And you know me, I do not like any harsh blush lines, so I will go in with a big fluffy brush and blend all that in. I'm not going to be doing any crazy eyeshadow look for my eyes. I'm only going to be using 2 eyeshadows, and only for the sole purpose of highlighting. So the first color I will be using on the inner corners of my eye, and it's Silk Teddy from the Natural Eyes palette by Too Faced. You know me, that is like my favorite color. And then the second color I'm going to use is Heaven from that same eyeshadow palette, but this time to highlight my brow bone. For mascara, I'm going to go in with L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. I know that they have a waterproof formula of this, but I just have the regular mascara just because I really do not like waterproof formulas on me. To highlight, I'm going to be using the Silk Teddy eyeshadow from that same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to just put it on top of the apples of my cheek as well as the tip of my nose. I'm going to finish off this look by hydrating my lips with this chapstick from Baby Lips, and it is tinted, so it has a little bit of color. The last product I'm going to be using on my face is Urban Decay's All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and this thing will guarantee that your makeup will not budge. So although I'm not wearing waterproof makeup, this thing does help the longevity of it and just helps it stay in place that much longer. So this makeup look to Disney could not be completed without some Mickey ears. These I got over there at the theme park, but I know Etsy has some super cute ones, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this simple makeup look. Again, it's great for being outdoors, especially now in summertime. This is the perfect makeup look to be outside without being too heavy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And if you feel like you know someone that would totally like this video as well, then go ahead and share it with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.